New video.
New video with the
Balls.
with the special beeping sound, probably.
Maybe. So we have the UFO house.
UFO house.
And the house.
The house and another maybe house.
And another maybe up there.
So we are not sure if we can get inside of here, but at least we can be on the outside. So this house is actually gonna be teared down, so that's why we're here.
What? It was not.
What? It's locked? What?
Well, you can see inside the somewhat kult hus. Kong Halvor.
Kong Halvor.
Kong Halvor.
Oslo-byen. Yes. Arrows. Arrows always makes everything better. Wow, the ladder is so straight.
Gå ned.
So straight.
Det er litt skjevt. Ja, det var utrolig. It's not super exciting, but
It's the roof.
if you fall down, we can get inside.
Yay! It's a win-win.
Oh, okay.
I think somebody lives here.
Yeah. They're just renovating and stuff.
Yes. Wow, nice carpet floor. So it's just all the windows are gone, so it's a nice airflow in the house.
Yeah. We have a cruise ship.
Is there anything in here?
Oh, they have taken out the dishes.
Wow, we got power.
Det er strøm.
We got power.
Yeah. Some of the
Does the
power
lights
is
work?
there is many way.
No. Open the bag.
I can open the bag. It is filled with random.
What's in the bag? What's in the bag under there?
Okay, man. If you want to see what's in here, there are maps. Yes. They have the automatic door, maybe.
Automatic door. And we got good, nice, tasty stuff.
No water.
No water.
An old and what is this? It is for a door, maybe. Like
Yes.
yes.
Really interesting.
Wow.
Wow.
Attic. Very dark.
Okay, we have to go in the attic, of course. Ooh.
Ja, se.
Ja. Jeg er ikke på blitz. Du må lyse på det.
Wow, TV. It's nice and hot in here.
Very hot. He has a 2 monitor setup here.
2 double monitor setup. Streamer setup right here.
Very nice.
Fy faen. Jeg må ta bilde av deg, altså.
Doll here.
Nice doll. We got the piano, but first, basement. So we got the lights. Oof, look at the sexy man.
Yes. Okay. It smells
Really
there is
cold.
a safe here.
Safe?
With some totally legal pills. They are probably legal, I would say, but the safe is locked. You may know. Maybe
never know.
And some nice pills.
$1 billion.
Yeah.
But,
1 quadrillion.
but they got the indoor window, so cool.
Damn.
So maybe this is like a meeting room. Because there is
Yeah.
maybe this was not someone living here.
Maybe. Maybe not.
We have not seen a bedroom, I think.
But a lot of bathrooms. Oh, we got Coca-Cola with very nice liquids inside.
Maybe.
Tasty.
Yes, I would drink.
It's a Coke White Edition.
What? Just weird.
Oh, the flavors are melting on my tongue.
Super epic bike. Worth $100 million.
Yes.
Wow, we got boats. Boats.
Maybe he drew these boats. Or she, I don't know.
Really interesting. Yes, yes.
Boats.
Piano time.
Yay!
Piano time.
Does it work though?
Yeah.
Really?
Wow.
Very good.
Wow.
Is there a man on the wall?
There's a man on the wall.
He's dancing to my
Yes.
beats.
This is the building next to the building that we were in. We don't think we can get in here, but we'll look at it.
I don't know why this is abandoned. Or maybe it is not very it has electricity at least.
But I think
it
it's
says, 800 there.
I think it's abandoned.
It's maybe. Yeah, okay, I don't think it is very abandoned, but it is abandoned, but it is not abandoned.
We got 2 tactics here, both of them working really nice.
Oh no, the ops are after us.
Ops are after us. No.
Det er purken, det er snuten.
Det er politi. A lot of seagulls here. This is a risk.
Where's the sea inside? Just to the good.
Oh.
Oh my god, man. Tree.
A tree is growing here. Wow. We have not been attacked by seagulls.
I think it's because we didn't went all the way up.
If we went all the way up, we might have gotten attacked.
We can just open the door. Can we?
No. Oh, okay.
No, it is actually locked. It's locked. It is just
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Do what you want.
Yes.
No.
Like.
Not everything you want.
Oh.